Wireless Apple CarPlay in the new 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. My name is Mike, I'm with Bel Air Hyundai. I'm going to show you how to set it up. The first step to set up wireless Apple CarPlay, hit setup. Make sure your phone's on Bluetooth. Go to device connections, Bluetooth connections. We're going to hit head new, hit OK. We're going to click on Santa Fe. We're going to hit pair, allow. The best part, use Apple CarPlay. Hit yes on your screen. Hit next, OK. And set up and ready to go. From here we can pull up our our maps. We can go to our messages and our favorite apps, even Dunkin' Donuts. Now that wireless Apple CarPlay is connected and set up, every time you get in and out of the car, it'll automatically come up for you. Turn the car off. You get out. Grab your key, start it up. Within a few seconds, Apple CarPlay is going to pop up. And you're free to go through and use your maps and go back to your favorite Dunkin' app. That's how easy it is to set it up in the new 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. Come see me for your test drive.